All right, so showing enterprise service management, the product from SAP SuccessFactors, as an HR person who's investigating or responding to a ticket. And so I often get questions of, hey, what are some AI use cases here? And so the one I want to highlight here is, you're an HR agent and you're responding to a parental leave request where you can come in here and, directly within the ticket, you can ask a follow-up question. And so the cool thing that SuccessFactors has built is this AI for email drafter. And so you can actually use a prompt. So I can come in here and put a prompt and I can keep it kind of as is. Or if I want to change this and I can say, let's make this more formal and let's make it a little bit longer, then you can adjust some of these things and then it will adjust accordingly, right? And so now I can take this, apply, and put in my name here. So I wanted to update you on the case. It's open, so it pulled in details from the ticket. It pulled in the completion date and has that in here. And you can then just send this off, right? So that's a way AI is making it easier just from a communication standpoint, directly embedded within the ESM application for an HR associate. Thanks.